Enjoy your experience.
Thanks, sir.
How are you today?
Doing good.
What's your name?
Johnny Gill.
Johnny?
Yep.
All right. My name's John. So.
Hey, all right.
That's right there.
Very
Have
nice.
you done anything like this before?
Yeah. Did
what?
Detroit.
Detroit?
Yep.
Okay, same company or?
Yeah, same company.
Excellent, awesome.
Yep.
So,
yeah.
just a quick, actually, let's see if we can get you right behind this Hellcat.
Yep.
Perfect. So, put on the brake, just pull, just one. There you go, right behind. Yeah, if you pull both, it's neutral.
Yep.
So, we'll just go over real quick, just because you've done this with us before. Brake.
Yep.
When I want you to brake harder, I'm going to go brake, brake, brake. Okay? When I say lift, just come off the gas completely. Don't brake, don't do anything, just come off the gas.
All the way up, yep.
Your side of the track, my side of the track, okay? If we happen to have a car behind us that's a little bit quicker, okay? Which we might because we have a professional instructor driving behind us.
Yes, sir.
Okay? I'm going to tell you which side of the track to stay on. I'm going to grab the wheel when someone's passing us, okay? If you're going to pass someone, I'm going to tell you which side to pass, and I'm just going to go like this. Because I trust you to pass them.
Yeah.
Getting past, it's a lot more difficult because the car's flying by you at about 100 miles an hour, and sometimes you can get a little distraught.
Yep.
Okay, that's why we just grab the wheel when you're being passed. When you're passing someone, I trust you enough to pass them. I'm just gonna, hover. All we're gonna do is pretty much connect the dots, connect the cones, I should say.
There you go. Very nice, very nice. How long you been doing this?
With this company, a year. In general, my entire life. We can go ahead and roll forward.
Yeah.
We're going to give them a nice gap. In general, I've been doing it a couple of years.
Nice.
Actually, about 5.
Very nice.
We'll give them a little bit more room. Perfect. So my name's John. We're here with Johnny in the black Lamborghini Huracan at Putnam Park on a nice, beautiful day.
Great race course.
It is a lot of fun. My first time here. A lot of fun.
Yeah, we took the ride along earlier to get used to the track.
Okay. All right, so we can give it a little bit more gas. See the cone down there on the left?
Yep.
It tells you to go to the right. So find that green cone on the right-hand side. Find that green cone, and we're going to go right towards that green cone on the right-hand side. Don't be afraid to give it a little bit of gas. Stay out to your side. Excellent. Stay on your side. Wait for it. Now my side. Perfect, perfect, excellent. Stay on my side, over to your side. Excellent, your side to my side. So again, just connecting the green to the orange. Stay on my side, now to the green. There's going to be 2 greens here, so find the 1 and the 2. You're going to start squeezing the throttle when you get to that second one. Nice, squeeze that throttle, go ahead. Nice, very nice, lift. Brake. Your side to my side. My side. Perfect. A little bit. There you go. Don't want to get too close. Stay on your side. My side. Excellent. Now back over to your side. This is the tightest part of the track. You're going to brake pretty hard. Find that green cone on the right hand side. Find that green cone. Perfect. Excellent. Oh, excellent. My best turn of the day so far. Go ahead. You're going to lift. Brake. Stay out. Now go. Stay just on the gas a little bit, just a little bit of gas, a little bit of gas. Find that second cone, find that third cone. Start giving it a little bit of gas up the hill. A little bit of gas up the hill. Go ahead, gas, 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 gas. Excellent, perfect. That was flawless. Very, very good. Brake, find that cone top of the hill. There's going to be a cone right after it. Going to be a cone right after it. Perfect, perfect. You're going to stay, drift over to the left, and then back to the right. And then we have that professional driver behind us, so you're going to stay to the right, lift. Stay to the right, lift. Oh, here it comes. And then go ahead, go middle of the track, forward, forward, forward. There you go, nice. Lift. Brake. Come off the brake, go to the green cone. Go to the green cone, perfect. Excellent, excellent. Stay off to the left. Stay out to the left. Stay out to the left. Wait. Now go. side. Excellent. Back over to your side. No brake. Back to my side. Very nice. Very nice. Stay over to your side. Brake a little bit. Green cone. Excellent. Get on that gas. Get on that gas. Very nice. Very, very nice. Lift. Brake. Over to the green cone. A little bit of gas. A little bit of gas. A little bit of gas. Squeeze that throttle. Squeeze that throttle. Perfect. Excellent. Doing great. Stay to the left. Brake. Cone on the top of the hill. Green cone, top of the hill. There's going to be a cone right after it. There's going to be a cone right after it. Excellent. We're going to stay over to the left and then back to the right. And then middle of the track. We're going to get on the gas. Get on the gas. Go ahead. Go, 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 go. Nice. Excellent. Awesome. Awesome.
Yeah, the throttle's touchy.
What?
So the throttle feels a little touchy.
Yeah, yeah.
To find it right before it wants to kick down to try to squeeze it smooth.
Yep, yep.
This one's got a little touchy.
And, yeah, just squeeze, squeeze, squeeze.
Yeah.
And then you'll find it, and it will go. There you go. Brake, top of the hill, and we're going to slow down because we're going to go on the pits. That was awesome.
Thanks, man.
No problem. Anytime. You did awesome.
It feels good.
Yeah, you got real comfortable at that third lap.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It feels great.